What does CBIA bring to the table that a manufacturer should really support?
Yeah, I mean, I think there's really two main things, and it kind of go both ways. We are the loudest voice. We have the most clout at the Capitol. We represent the largest number of manufacturers in Connecticut. So just supporting the effort. You know, the larger we are, the more clout we have, the more effective we can be in representing manufacturers. So one way benefits us by getting them as a member, but also benefits them from getting the fruits of our labors. And then beyond that, just all the other products and services that we offer. You know, we do free HR consulting to all members. We buy energy for a lot of companies, provide health insurance for smaller companies. There's just a whole range of products and services. And as you know, we partnered a couple of years ago with Constep, which is the NIST MEP, the National Institute of Standards and Technology Manufacturing Extension Partnership affiliate here in Connecticut is Constep. They're part of CBIA now, and they have a whole range of products and services or more services that they deliver to small and mid-sized manufacturers to help make them more competitive. So yeah, I always felt if a manufacturer didn't get value out of CBIA, they weren't paying attention.